INK Life Sports Calls. Behavioral Management. Speaking the language. To bridge barriers. What if you could finally get through to your children, friends, family members, even your spouse on a level that is conditioned into people through sports? Whether you learn it in school or hobbies, sports calls have been embedded into our minds, as rules. Let's make this our advantage. Here's a list of sports plays and their meanings, categorized by sport, with their potential use in behavioral management. These plays can serve as metaphors or direct commands to encourage teamwork, focus, accountability, and other positive behaviors. Basketball, football, soccer. American football. Baseball, hockey. Tennis. Track and field. Golf. Boxing. Swimming. As you go through each one, think about the context you would use them in for your personal life. A daughter or son who lives and breathes sports will respond to these faster because their brain is conditioned to repeated input of the words related to actions they must act quickly upon, even without much thought, pre-planned plays and moves. You may find they develop these patterns in their chores and responses when you use this metaphor. Make sure you go with the flow. Have fun with this. It is something new to try, so just enjoy the process. Basketball. Time out, take a break to regroup or calm down. Assist, help someone else succeed or achieve a goal. Box out, protect your space and focus on what's important. Fast break, seize an opportunity quickly before it's lost. Full court press, apply consistent effort to achieve a goal. Football, soccer. Pass the ball, share responsibilities or delegate tasks. Offside, stay within appropriate boundaries, avoid overstepping. Goalkeeper save, step in to prevent a situation from escalating. Formation, work together in an organized way to achieve a common goal. Corner kick, take advantage of unexpected opportunities. American football. Huddle, gather as a team to strategize or communicate. Interception, recognize and redirect negative behavior. Touchdown, celebrate achievements or milestones. Penalty flag, acknowledge when a rule has been broken and address it constructively. Blitz, focus intense effort on solving a problem quickly. Baseball. Strike out, acknowledge mistakes and try again. Home run, recognize exceptional effort or achievement. Bunt, make a small but meaningful contribution. Pitcher's mound visit, offer support or advice in the moment. Double play, tackle two tasks or challenges efficiently. Hockey. Face off, resolve conflict or start fresh on equal footing. Penalty kill, defend against negativity or unhelpful influences. Power play, use advantages wisely to succeed. Hat trick, reward repeated success or achievement. Clear the zone, remove distractions or unhelpful elements from a situation. Tennis. Ace, excel in an area with a standout effort. Deuce, acknowledge when effort is evenly matched, requiring extra focus. Volley, engage in productive back-and-forth communication. Match point, focus on the critical moment to achieve success. Break point, recognize an opportunity to make significant progress. Track and field. Relay, pass on responsibility or share the workload. False start, acknowledge and reset after a premature action. Hurdle, overcome obstacles with focus and determination. Sprint finish, push through with extra effort to complete a task. Steady pace, work consistently toward long-term goals. Golf. Hole-in-one, celebrate exceptional achievements. Par, maintain consistent and acceptable performance. Sand trap, recognize challenges and work strategically to overcome them. Putt, focus on small, precise actions for big results. 4. Warn others when danger or an issue is approaching. Boxing. Take a jab, address issues with small, measured steps. Roll with the punches, adapt to challenges or unexpected changes. Corner coach, offer support and guidance during difficult moments. Knockout, achieve a decisive success or resolution. Throw in the towel, recognize when it's time to stop or reset. Swimming. Freestyle, be flexible and creative in your approach. Backstroke, reflect on past actions to improve. Butterfly, use strength and rhythm to overcome challenges. Relay exchange, transition responsibilities smoothly. Tread water, stay afloat and steady in difficult situations. Thank you for joining us at Inkfluence of Art 4. A life coaching session. This list can be used to encourage positive behavior through relatable sports metaphors, helping individuals visualize their roles and actions in terms of teamwork and personal responsibility. Did you know? The concept of using sports metaphors for teamwork and strategy is rooted in psychology, as they help simplify complex behaviors and foster a sense of unity and shared purpose. Perfect for behavioral management. Thanks for watching.